Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yes.
I'm Devi and this is
Sean.
Alright, and today we're going to be doing something very interesting. But before we tell you what we're doing, please remember to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can see when we upload new content and when things happen in our community, you can see it.
Right,
we also want to remind you guys to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and to like our Facebook page. Alright, so today, what are we doing?
Alright, so today we're doing icicles. We saw some posts on Instagram, as we normally do, scrolling through Instagram and we see what's up. We see Kremi come out with some new icicles or popsicles, different flavors, 5 different flavors actually. They have cola champagne, which is a familiar beverage type here in Jamaica. They have sour cherry, grape, watermelon, and green apple icicles.
Right.
I have not had icicle in years.
Yeah, me either. I haven't had icicles since like I was prep school, so I don't even know. But I mean, it's summer, it's hot.
I think it's the right time. The launch is in the right time. So I hope that it generates the thing that they want.
Craze that they want. Yeah.
So and then I thought it have a nice cute
packaging. Also, the packaging is fun and colorful. Yeah, children would love this.
And what they call it now, the
monster,
character. The character, right? The character they have on it. So it's cute. And, it's all for the kids, but as adults, you can still eat a popsicle here and there. Again, it's summer, it's hot. Grab yourself a nice creamy popsicle. Yeah,
we actually got these from the outlet, but I'm sure by now they'll be available like in the supermarkets and so on. But if you can't get in the supermarket, you can get it in the outlet.
Right.
There's one in Halfway Tree. That's where we got ours from, and we paid $230 for 6.
For half of those.
Right, and they have 5 flavors, so basically doubled up on 1 flavor.
Right.
But anyway, it's hot. We want the popsicles and we don't want them to melt, so we're gonna get right into
so which one you want to start with first?
Green apple.
You can go with that. I'll go with the grape. Or we're going to try. We both try the same flavor at the same time.
Alright. So this is what it looks like. Green apple.
It's green.
Green, obviously.
Yeah. You can smell it.
It smells like green apple.
Green apple, but it's artificial flavor.
Yeah.
Go ahead. What it tastes like? Tastes nice.
I haven't had this in so long.
It's nice.
It's nice though. I feel cool just eating it. Yeah, and it tastes like green apple. I mean, there's really nothing to it. If you know how green apple flavored stuff, like green apple Jolly Rancher, it basically tastes like a green apple Jolly Rancher flavor. Standard green apple flavor, very nice.
It can go on. It's really nice.
Anyway, let's slide this back in.
I think you have to put that in the fridge or the freezer. It's gonna melt.
Alright, we're just gonna put them up as we taste them. Next flavor you choose.
Cola champagne.
Alright. That's smart to open it from that end.
Yeah.
So much stuff down.
Oh, here's the color.
Wait, we didn't give that one thumbs up or thumbs down.
I mean, definitely thumbs up for the green apple.
Thumbs up, same here.
For the green apple. This is the cola champagne. I mean, if you know cola champagne color, it's that orangish type of color. Yes, you can smell the cola champagne.
Definitely.
Flavor.
Definitely smell like a D&G cola champagne.
It have a little sourness to it.
Brain freeze. It does taste like cola champagne, but as Sean said, it kind of has a little tart flavor to it, sourness. Which I think bring it off. It's a good look same way.
The sourness with a little sweet. This cola champagne is definitely one that you can choose. I wish we could have just eat it off all at one time, but
and we will give that one thumbs up, halfway thumbs down.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
I'll give that thumbs up.
Yeah.
So that was the second flavor. Alright, I'm gonna go with watermelon.
Okay.
Next. And we're trying to move fast, guys, because we don't want them to start melting on us. Alright, watermelon.
Oh, I like the color.
Yeah, it looks like the standard watermelon. Smells like it too. It reminds me of something. It reminds me of something. it don't really taste like how
It's like
I
it's
think
like a
watermelon tastes.
Jolly Ranch. It's about Jolly Ranch, I think, to it.
Yeah, but it don't taste like watermelon to me.
No, this is just like watermelon.
It tastes like what them say watermelon flavored stuff supposed to taste like, but it don't taste like the real fruit.
It reminds me of Jolly Rancher.
But I don't know, that one is just okay, nothing much to it. I think I'd give it a halfway thumb.
Yeah, I'll definitely give it a halfway
Yeah, the
thumbs up.
flavor is not, I mean, like a watermelon, but it's just okay.
Yeah, and again, it reminds me of Jolly Rancher, so
Yeah.
yeah. Let's go with the sour cherry.
Yeah, I think the sour cherry is the one that I'm looking forward to the most, just because I love sour cherry. Jolly Rancher. Okay. That one's starting to melt.
It's really tarty. It's really sour.
Let me pick up this one same time because
It's melting.
it's melting. And then I will tell you what I think of it.
But we never give the
We did, we gave
did?
it a halfway thumb.
halfway thumbs. Okay, right, okay. For the cherry, halfway thumbs. I'm not really a big
I
fan
give
of
it a thumbs
sourness.
up. I like the sour. I like the sour and I like the cherry flavor.
Yeah, she always buy like sour Skittles.
Yeah, I love that kind of tart sourness.
me.
I love that kind of flavor.
If it's sweet, it's sweet. If it's sour, it's sour. But
So I'll
sweet
give it
and
a
sour.
thumbs up for me.
I'll give it a halfway thumbs for the sour cherry. Last but not least,
The grape.
ooh, this one melts.
Wow, this one melted right down,
Yeah, but
guys.
you know the grape coloring already. It's purple.
Yeah, purple. Smell like grape flavor. Omega bite piece now.
It smells like artificial grape. That is not bad.
Have the bite piece more.
I'll give it a halfway thumbs.
It's not bad, but I'll give it a halfway thumb. Thumbs. Yeah, halfway thumb. Put it up, cause I'm telling you guys, them are milk.
Alright, so that's
I
another
told ya.
episode of YaadMentz Tries. We tried.
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah. Go ahead.
What I was gonna say is I was gonna ask you which one was your favorite out of all. All 5 flavors. So they have 5 flavors. So which one was your favorite?
I think the first one was my favorite.
What was the first one?
What was the first one again? I forgot.
Green
because
apple.
It's not here. Green apple was the first one?
Yes. I chose the first one and it was green apple.
Green apple was my favorite. Definitely.
Yeah, green apple wasn't bad, but I like the sour cherry.
Yeah,
I like the sour cherry. I like the tartness and the sourness. So that to me was really nice. And I mean, they're very affordable, I would say.
Yeah, it's like $30 per.
Yeah, because we bought it from
Icicles.
we bought it from the outlet, so it would have worked out to about $30 per one, which is very affordable. It's a nice snack, not snack, but a nice treat for like the kids in the summertime.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, as you can see, they were definitely melting because it's definitely summer out here in Jamaica. Definitely hot.
It's hot.
But they were good.
Yeah, they were.
Good.
They were definitely good.
Yeah, so you guys can check them out if you've seen them.
Yeah.
Continue with what you're saying now.
Right, guys. So this is another episode of YaadMentz Tries. We tried Kremi Icicles. They're new on the market. If you haven't seen them yet, you can check out their Instagram page. They're pushing this product right now.
Yes, definitely.
If you have children, kids, even as an adult, you can have Icicles. Again, it's summertime. Hit up the Kremi stores. If you don't see them in the supermarket, you can contact them, find out where you can have
Get
them.
Yeah.
So yes, again, they're good. They were good.
Yeah, I would say they were good.
My favorite is the green apple. Definitely like the sour cherry because she's a sour girl.
I think that came out wrong.
But there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video of YaadMentz Tries. We are going to finish the rest of the popsicles off camera.
when they firm up something more.
So yeah, big up yourself, Yard people think this is YaadMentz.
Yes, and remember to subscribe, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, like this video, give us a thumbs up, and remember to keep giving us your suggestions of things that you want us to try here in Jamaica.
That are new.
Yes, whatever you see out there that's new, let us know and we will try them on our channel.
Bye, guys.
See you in our next episode.